This video will demonstrate how to start the F-15 from a power off cold state. We'll get the battery on, start the engines up. I use the Thrustmaster Warthog stick and throttles. I pre-programmed the HOTAS to do the various functions of buttons and stuff that the keyboards would do. And basically the presentation will include a demo of the action and show you the steps on the screen as well as provide a narrative for me. So let's start this baby up. Okay, first we're going to hit right shift and L, which turns the battery on. And then we're going to get both engines started by hitting right shift and home. Show the left engine stack, the right engine stack. Those are all the labels for the left engines and all the other stuff on the right side. Obviously the right is between the two. You got an idea what all the different gauges mean. Right engine starting up, you hear the whining of the motor cranking the JFS, turning the big motor. You see the right ramp coming down here in just a minute. Here's the right ramp, it's going down. JFS is disengaged off the engine, and it's self-sustained this time. Idle stack, you just think 7518, approximately 70% RPM, 510, 1000 fuel flow, and about 80% on the nozzles. And you just, every time you glance at the motors when they're idle, that's about the thing you should always see as the engine stack. You see the pressure, oil pressure on the right side, the PC1 also pressure is coming up the hydraulics. Left ramp coming down, and we're gonna close our canopy. Left control to close the canopy. On the right side, we see the canopy light extinguished, meaning the canopy is closed and locked. Okay, so we're gonna get our lights on, so anti-collision beacons come on, and then our navigation lights will come on. There's the green lights on the right, and the red lights on the left, and the white lights on the top of the tail. Alright, so we're going to look at the takeoff trim set. Hit left Alt plus T. The stick should move to takeoff trim position. You'll hear the RL tone rates as if you're in a spin in the air test, and you'll also see the green button light up on the trim. Toggle the mirrors, M. Air refueling door. If you do an air refueling mission, obviously check it. You'll see the door operate open and close. Top left canopy is green light. Ready means the air refueling door is open, ready to receive fuel, and on the boom, and then it's extinguished means the door is closed. Flap set. I use the flap switch on my throttles. Yellow means transit, green means they're down and locked in the full position, and then transit as well. So I'll just show you a couple of times the operation of the switch and the indicator light. On the outside of the jet, there's your flaps right there. You can see the flap tracking all the way down. We'll switch over to the left side here. We'll get the left flap as well, tracking down at the same time as the right is. Then we'll throw the speed brake out. So the speed brake, I use that also on my throttles all the way out. On the back of the switch is all the way out. All the way forward, we'll close it all the way. There's also a middle position, which I'll show you in a minute. It's all the way open, all the way closed. And then I can go halfway and stop in between. There's actually a middle position, which freezes the about halfway down. You can use it during dogfighting or your landing or wherever you want to do. Most guys are correct half speed brake for formation landings. I'm not going to do an in-depth discussion, but the flight control check, realizing every time you move sticking forward, left, and right, a lot of different control surfaces are moving. Just as long as it makes sense, it looks like it's working right, you should be good to go. This little demo will show you as the push the right throttle up, the nozzle will close, and then back it opens, the left throttle closes, opens and closes. And when you put both engines all the way up towards no power, then both nozzles will close, and releasing the, just show you the relationship between the motors and the throttles. Gear light checks, right Alt and L, so there's your taxi light, and then your lane light. For this next section, we're going to look at the different types of fuel configurations on the fuel quantity gauge. 3 bags of gas. There's the math for you. Left alt, left center, or left control, and plus D. Wing, internal body wings, tank 1, all those add up to be 25.5. And basically leave it on external centers. That's going to be the first one feeding. 2 bags of gas, external wings. Same trick there. There'd be no centerline tank, and leave it on external wings. And when you're done with it, you can see them both feed. Usually they're not necessarily in balance, but you want to make sure they're balanced. So leave it on external wings. Next is going to be centerline tank. Centerline tank, you're not going to have any wing tanks, obviously, so you'll do the check from there. Left control, left alt, and D. You want to leave it on external centerline, which is this one right here. Make sure the external centerline is feeding after you take off and your tanks are pressurized. And lastly, a clean tank, clean jet. It had no external tanks. You want to do the same checks on your fuel. You can either leave it on tank 1 or internal wing because you want to make sure there's no imbalance. Tank 1 is critical to make sure that's feeding right away. And then lastly, here's the fuel gauge test. Left shift and D. Everything goes to 6,000, 600, 600, 6,000, 6 on the pointer. One more time. There you go. And lastly, we do the bingo fuel set. So you're using left control plus D and left alt plus D to move the bingo bug, if you will, to the right spot for bingo gas before you take off. And that's the ground operations. So I hope that you learned a lot, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.